How to pipe a kaftan neck. Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how you can achieve this neck piping. Yes, for your senators, native wear. Okay, so let's go. These are neck piping. As you can see, this place is smaller than this side. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. So the next thing we are going to do now, this side that is smaller, this side is longer. We put it like this place. This allowance we left here is to use and cover it, but first of all I'm going to sew straight. So I'll put it this way, then so when you pipe, okay, once you make sure the neck area has entered into that neck piping very well, then you start sewing. One thing you should make sure while sewing this is that it really enters inside. You see the way I'm doing it? If not, after sewing it will pull out. Okay, and for those that still don't know how to make this neck piping, I have a detailed tutorial on that. Check it out. If you notice what I'm doing here, I'm not sewing this thing straight. Yes, you know, this neck piping, it was cut in a bias form. So if you notice from my sewing, I'm also sewing it that way, not straight. Okay, we're almost here now. So what we'll do is when we get to this side, we push it in. The allowance we have here is much. Take it out a little, push it in, then we'll cover this like this. So this is what we have. So you see, this is it. Now we'll come and take out, then we'll bend this like this. Okay, so when we bend this, we'll sew like this, run another stitch. If this were to be very wide, you can run stitch 3 times. So I'll run another stitch like this. This is what it looks like when we are done. So we'll just close it like this.